Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Figma for LinkedIn Design Portfolio, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to figma.com. On the home page, find the sign up button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email and click Continue. Next, Figma will send you a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email from Figma, and click the verification link provided. After verifying your email, you will be directed back to Figma's registration page. Now, set a strong password for your new account. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field. Once done, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to provide some additional information about yourself. Fill out your name, job title, and other relevant details. Click Continue once you've completed the fields. Figma will present you with options to choose your primary use case. Select the option that best describes your use of Figma. Now you'll see a tutorial prompt. You can choose to skip this or proceed through it. Once you've navigated through the onboarding, you'll land on the Figma dashboard. From here, start a new project by clicking on the New File button. You can now create your design portfolio. Focus on showcasing your best work, keeping user engagement in mind. Once your designs are ready, use the Share feature to generate a link. This link can be added to your LinkedIn profile. Go to your LinkedIn profile and click on the Edit button. Scroll down to the Featured section and select Add Featured. Choose Links and paste the Figma link into the designated field. Add a catchy title and description to draw interest. Save your changes, and your Figma portfolio will now be visible on LinkedIn. Congratulations, you've successfully registered with Figma and linked your design portfolio to LinkedIn. Your work is now accessible to potential employers and connections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.